We are going to Baler today. It's our first, hopefully not the last, just us, no kids trip for the year. So nag-agree kasi kami na at least once or twice a year we would do this. Magbabakasyon kami ng kaming dalawa lang. Perfect way to refresh, reset, relax, reconnect. And we decided to do it this weekend kasi magbe-birthday si Miko. So we're gonna go to Baler and we're taking you with us. Feeling photographer. Ako muna magpipicture kasi he's driving. Gusto ko sunigang na hipon.
So, ang ganda
Yeah.
Di mo bala?
Kaya nga, Vic Mosos na sinigang na hipon na you choose one ulam. Ayaw niya ng sinigang na hipon. But I want sinigang na hipon. We are at... Ay, makita. Kubli Bistro.
Sisig na lang.
Okay.
Sisig ala Bopes. Ano?
Lechon belly. Ay, oo, lechon belly yata yan. Nakalagay dyan.
Oh, lechon belly. Uy.
We just came from Kubli Bistro. Out of 5.
4.
4. Ako din. Parang I would say 4 out of 5, but not because of the food. Pero dahil dun sa
Lako.
langaw kasi.
Kasi, pinsan lang.
Ayan, so because of the langaw. Kasi syempre outdoor siya. But food is okay. I like the food. Nasa biyahe pa rin kami. Left or right?
Ayun, nasa left side. Ito ba?
I don't know.
Huh. Ito nga ito.
Day 1. Kakagising ko lang. I still have work. Pero siya badaya kasi he's just playing with his camera. And drinking tonight. So, that's day 1. I'm going to Sabang Beach. Costiera. Parang ganda rin yun. Sabang Beach. Ganda ng waves.
Thank you. Ano, ang gabo mong malamig.
We had brunch at, ang pangalan nun?
Base.
Base Inn. Pabalik na kami ng villa ngayon. We're gonna rest a little bit and then we're gonna go to Digisit Beach. We are at the back of Cemento Villas. This is what it looks like. Super quiet, super peaceful. Super pretty. So it's literally at the back. Dito kami nagsistay. And so that's our villa right there. We're going to Digisit Beach. Mali kami ng daan. Pasabang yung daan namin. So, we're gonna make a U-turn. We are by the rock formation at Digisit Beach. Ang ganda niya. It's very nice. Should have gone here earlier. Back at Cemento. We're going to stay in the villa kasi maaga kaming aalis tomorrow because it's his birthday and we have plans with the kids. So far, so good. We had fun. Okay, we're going home today. Last day in Baler. Guys, na kami. Agahan talaga namin kasi we have plans today. This Isaw Road. Minamani-mani mo lang. Minamani-mani mo lang. Sabi ko kaya hindi siya pwede mag-drive dito. Kasi isaw yung road, hindi siya hindi siya basta zigzag lang. Isang malaki.